After cooking, pressing is conducted using screw presses or other mechanical devices. This step physically separates the oil from solid particles. The crude fish oil obtained at this stage still contains impurities such as water, proteins, and solids. The next phase involves refining processes like degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. Degumming removes phospholipids by adding water or acids, while neutralization eliminates free fatty acids using alkali solutions. Bleaching employs clay or other adsorbents to remove color pigments and contaminants, followed by deodorization. Throughout these processes, advanced equipment ensures precision and efficiency. For instance, centrifuges are utilized to separate phases effectively during various stages. Additionally, modern technologies incorporate automated controls to monitor temperature, pressure, and flow rates. Finally, the purified fish oil is stored in tanks under controlled conditions before packaging. Throughout the entire process,